In this tutorial, we will see that how can you delete all of your TikTok videos in one click. So let's dive right in. So after opening TikTok, you will be on this home page. You need to click on this profile that's showing right bottom side, and here you can see your uploads. Open any of the video, and on the right bottom side, you will find here these three dots. Click on that, and you will find here these some of options at the bottom side like save video, pin video. You have to drag it to left side, and here you will find here delete button. Click on that, and it will show you this delete this post. Click delete, and this will be deleted. So by doing this method, you can delete one by one, but to delete all of your TikTok videos in one click, you can simply click on these three lines that's showing right upper side and open up settings and privacy. Scroll it down. Here you will find this report a problem. Open it. Open up account and profile from here. Then open this profile page. Scroll it down. You will find here these some of options, but it's not showing to delete TikTok videos in one click. So you have to click on this other and again scroll it down and click no from here and then select this need more help. It will open up this window where you have to type that you want to delete all of your TikTok videos at once. TikTok team will head over to you in just couple of hours to fix your issue. So these were the fixes to delete all of your TikTok videos in one click or at once in just few easy steps.